Once the poor cousin of the kitchen, laundries are getting slicker and slicker. They're finally getting some interior design love. Your laundry is an important part of your home, so don't be afraid to give yours the high finish treatment. Timber, natural and engineered stone, and cooling colours, all these elements can work really well together. Not every home has room for a large laundry, so functionality should be at the core of your choices here, with sorting and smart storage solutions being an absolute priority. And something that really helps to maximise the space and allow for extra shelving is a super smart and super efficient washer-dryer combo. The LG Signature TWINWash is ideal. It not only gives you the versatility to do 2 loads at once, including one for delicates or small loads, it also has an integrated heat pump dryer. In terms of style, it looks great on its own. You can enjoy the look of the appliance just the way it is and make it a central piece of your laundry without compromising your surrounding style choices. I really think getting the most out of your laundry space with function and form should be an absolute necessity for 2019.